Hello, it's Mrs. Garple, and in this video I'm going to finish the lesson that we started the other day, Unit 1, Lesson 1. What you're going to find in this video is some review material to help you with the ready and the go parts of the assignment. So on these first three, we're going to use the distributive property. Distributive property means we take this term that's in front and multiply it with each term inside the parentheses, so each term of the expression. So 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. When we distribute on number 2, you'll notice that you're going to have a 2x times a 6x. So not only do you multiply 2 times 6, which is 12, you need to multiply x times x, which is x squared. 2x times 5 is plus 10x. And our term on number 3 is a fraction, or includes a fraction. We can still distribute. And the key to this is remembering that we can write these integers as fractions, because when you multiply fractions, you multiply the numerators, you multiply the denominators. So we have 2 times 9 is 18, x times x is x squared, over 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 times 12, or 2 times 6, excuse me, is 12, x over 3 as well. And now we're going to simplify our fractions. So 18 divided by 3 is 6x squared, plus 12 divided by 3 is 4x. So that's a review of using the distributive property. Here we're going to be looking at the rate of change. The first example we have, number 4 here, this is a recursive formula. So you want to be looking at what is happening from one term to the next over and over and over again. Well, what's happening is we are subtracting 8. So the rate of change for number 4 is going to be negative 8. So rate of change equals negative 8. On number 5, you have a graph of a line. To find the rate of change for a line, you're looking for the slope. So the slope is rate of change. And when you're doing this with a line, you want to find 2 points that your line is going through. So I can use this y-intercept because it's an exact point. It's at 3. And I can use the point down here, which is at 2, negative 1. I'm going to find my rise over my run. So from my y-intercept, I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4. That's minus 4. And I'm going to the right 2. That's a positive 2. So slope, which is change in y over change in x, is going to be negative 4 over 2, and we can simplify that to negative 2, so that the rate of change of the graph is negative 2. And this should allow you now to complete the Ready, Set, Go for Unit 1, Lesson 1.